Let's get back to our top story now. Nelson Mandela is in hospital for a second day. Let's get the latest from Xoli Mngambi, who is in Pretoria tracking events for us. Good afternoon to you, Xoli. Well, Mandela's grandson, Mandla, has been spotted at Madiba's birthplace, Mvezo, today. What can you tell us about that?
Well, MABALE, the chief of Mvezo, who is also Nelson Mandela's grandson, and that is Chief Mandla Mandela, was at a local soccer tournament in the Eastern Cape. And when he was approached by eNCA for an update on his grandfather's condition, he shied away this time around, saying that, he's referring all queries to the presidency. Now, previously, Mr. Mandela has not shied away from the media. He's always obliged to give us a comment and give us an update on how Madiba is doing whenever he was hospitalized. But this time around, he seems to not have been keen to talk to us.
Xoli, we know that a lot of South Africans have been sending messages of a speedy recovery, some church services holding prayers today. What have we heard from the dignitaries?
Well, MABALE, first of all, we know that President Jacob Zuma was in the Eastern Cape yesterday, and that's when he actually sent his well wishes to Madiba. But we also know that some cabinet ministers, namely RADEBE and Mrs. EDNA MOLEWA, they also gave their well wishes. Let's hear what they had to say.
On behalf of the department and government, indeed, we wish Tata Madiba a very speedy recovery. We know that he has really lived for a long time suffering to get our young people to benefit and really be confident South Africans. And we would like to assure him that we will do all in our powers and work hard to attain that which he wants South Africa to attain, which is prosperity and peace, as well as good life for our people in South Africa, especially the young ones.
I also want to join many South Africans who are wishing our icon, President Mandela, all the best and to recover soon from the illness, as we all know that he's in hospital since yesterday.
All right, so Xoli, what is happening now and how do you see the rest of the day going? Because it's really been a waiting game today, not knowing whether or not we will get an update from the presidency. What's happening?
Well, so far, MABALE, everybody out here is waiting for an update for the presidency. We had been expecting an update from them, whether in the form of a statement or even an on-camera response. But so far, we've not had anything yet. What we know, though, about Mr. Mandela's condition is that he has been said to have been in a serious but stable condition. And so that's all we know for the moment.
All right. Well, thank you very much to our reporter, Xoli Mngambi, coming to us live from Pretoria.
News that moves. eNCA.com.